My dear viewers, welcome to our channel InfoVoice. Let's see what we'll discuss today. Today we'll discuss about the information regarding Telegram and also its features. Like who is the CEO of Telegram, how much Telegram is earning right now, its net worth, is Telegram copying our data or not, why Telegram is so much popular. So let's start with the first question, what is Telegram? Telegram is a messaging app with a focus on high speed and security. It is a super fast, simple and also free. You can use Telegram on all of your devices at the same time, like on your phones, tablets or computers. The service also provides end-to-end encrypted video calls, file sharing and also many other features. In the start, it was launched for iOS on 14th August 2013 and on Android in October 2013. This app is used as worldwide for sharing data and chatting with each other. Who is the founders and CEO of Telegram? Nikolai Durov is the mathematician and programmer, while Pavel Durov is a Russian entrepreneur who is best known for being the founder of the social networking site VK and later the Telegram Messenger. He was born on October 10, 1984 in St. Petersburg, Russia. How much Telegram is earning right now? Its net worth. If we take a look on the Telegram users, we will see that its net worth is about $3.4 billion. Yeah, that's a very big amount. Today we are seeing that the clash between Telegram and WhatsApp makes Telegram very popular. Because of the clash between WhatsApp and Telegram in the past days, more than 25 million new users from around the world joined Telegram. Why Telegram is so much popular in this world? Actually, the most popular feature of the Telegram is the secret chat option, which made Telegram so much popular. Is Telegram copying our data or not? So let's see. The chairman of the public organization Electronic Democracy, Volodymyr Zelensky, on 11 May 2020 announced that a Telegram bot appeared on the web, which sold personal data of citizens of Ukraine. It is estimated that the bot contains data from 26 million Ukrainians registered in the DR application. However, subsequently, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Digital Transformation Mikhail Fedorov denied facts about the sale of data from DR. The criminal activity of 25 people has already been confirmed and copies of 30 databases were seized. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We will like to give you another interesting videos for you to enjoy next time, but before then, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss another interesting information videos like this.